Hey guys!
Hey guys!
It's happy Monday.
Yeah. It's all of what?
RNB. Hey! So guys, we are headed to karaoke happy hour.
Our favorite. Something we've tried doing for the past 4 months.
Seriously, like 60 times with Zing Bing. We're going to meet her and she's late as usual.
Of course.
So we're trying to take our time.
At least she's consistent.
So we walk in there and it's so cold out, guys. It's like fucking freezing.
It got cold. Like, it's winter again.
Like, so I had to bring the fur out, you see? Fur, body out. What? And Bay had to take out his coats.
Body away.
So yeah, guys, we're gonna catch you there. We've been inside all day. We took Nola to the... Ooh.
Wrong dog.
We took Nella to the vet today to get her second shots. Homegirl is one more shot away from being outside all the time now. She's ready to be outside, so.
She's still practicing on going potty outside, but she's good with other dogs. She's not that crazy when she walks. And yeah, it's good. But oof.
Yes, it's a struggle with her because we got to get her to use the bathroom outside. It's too much in the house. She's getting those grown woman bathroom breaks. It is not it, okay? But yeah, anyway guys, we're walking there. We'll catch you there in a second and get those cocktails. I know that's right. Hey guys, body's out. Guys, it's so sick in here, right? We made it to karaoke. Hey!
Hey babe, I'm on a call. I'll get there in a second.
Ciao! Keep calling, I'm about to get on that whoops.
There he is. No boss. Hey guys.
Hey y'all.
You know I have to kick off every video like that, but we are back in Brooklyn, out and about. Sunny, beautiful day.
Oh yes, back in Brooklyn, guys.
Out here, and with a hell of a hangover because karaoke's turned into Prosecco time, thanks to Zynga. But yeah, no, just going back to Upkeep, as you all know, to continue our partnership promoting their great and wonderful services, right, babe?
That's right. That's right, babe's getting a little injectables today.
I said, I have no lips, and I want lips. So we gonna get some lips.
Okay.
Period.
And I'm just getting a little checkup. They want to see how my Botox has settled in. And that's all I'm getting done today, guys. Until next time.
Just a little checkup for Buki while I get these injections. But we'll see how it goes, and we'll see you at the studio.
We're at Upkeep, you guys.
About a month
Okay.
after. So.
And that's kind of like the look that you're going for?
Yeah. I thought it was just pretty subtle. I liked I'm trying to find the immediate after.
Nice and good. So it's sitting in an area where it's not really supposed to be sitting.
Mm-hmm.
So if you can see, technically, like, it should be kind of more, it can be more prone to having filler kind of drop down and sit there. So I would recommend doing a little bit of dissolving before we refill.
Yeah.
I know that wasn't what you came in for today.
That's way better. Yeah.
That's not what you came in for today. And then can I grab you?
Hey guys, so we have Dr. Oh wait, what's going on? Okay. Shit. Doctor Who? Brandon on track. Hey guys, so we have Dr. Brandon here about to give Bae some Botox. He was actually gonna come in for the lips, but he had to get them dissolved first. But we're gonna hit him with the Botox, honey. So we're gonna hit him with a little bit over here. In the forehead area, above the brow. The crow's feet area and under eye. We're gonna get him right.
So I can stop doing this.
Yeah, so you can stop looking angry all the time.
Period.
So we're gonna do all that. But yeah, he's gonna get that done instead of the lips because he has to get those dissolved. And I am actually going to get my chin done. I thought I had to wait, but I don't have to wait anymore. So I'm gonna get that done today.
It's needle time.
Needle time. Weird at first, like a few days, it was hard to like,
Yeah.
do it even now.
Yeah, big smile. Yeah, I mean, it looks great.
Yeah, right.
Can you frown for me?
Hey guys, I'm numbing. It's time to get this chin done. I've been wanting that little point, like the natural chin. Pineapple juice.
Thank you so much, I appreciate it.
Yay. So I'm gonna get it even with my lips and my nose. So you see as it's a little back, I'm gonna get it all even. We only do one syringe today. We're gonna take it easy. So next time, another one because I do need 2 syringes, but we're only gonna do 1 today.
Not by the definition of my chinny chin chin.
Hey.
Okay. You're looking great, babe.
See the chin?
So
Get chin to it.
Alright, and I'll have you set up for me for a little bit. I just want to see exactly. And chin down for me a little bit more. Of uneven swelling and some bruising may show up in the next few days. So yeah, so over the next week, just don't manipulate anything. Don't try to massage it. Just let it be. If you feel the lumps or bumps, just let them heal. And then I'll have you turn again to 45 degrees. And then I'll turn to the other one.
Que se voló por ahí hoy.
Hey guys,
Tuvo que dar un
we're
zigzag.
on our way to Soho to a burst.
yo
Wait,
nunca lo
it's
había
not even
visto, ¿no?
focusing.
En ese pedacito ahí apareció
this thing
una
do that?
pata más larga que el DH. Y tuve que
Hey guys,
del lado
we're on our way
bajando.
to an event in Soho. It's Burst. We're gonna go meet up with the girls from the Burst team for the influencer event for the drop that they just did. So excited. On our way there, of course, late as always, but
Looking good.
we're showing up. Hey. We even got the stars in the ceiling. Like what? What?
I fly with the stars in the sky.
See you guys there. Hey guys, so we are inside of the Burst event.
Hey, we in this bitch.
We in it, check it out. Such a little, like, they turn into like a little cafe vibe. So we get coffee
With collagen.
with collagen and other things.
Collagen.
So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys some more, but it's pretty tight here to vlog, so I'm just get you guys right.
But we'll give you some sneak peeks and check out some of the product because it's so cute.
Thank you, Burst. So I'm about to get my little massage using the retinol body butter. Loves it.
Hey y'all, so we just finished at the Verse event and we are out and about because Bay needed some sustenance before everybody had a bad day, so we're here.
Everybody had a bad day. It's before if I pass out, because I'm about to pass out, I had to go to the event with the Verse people. Now I'm hungry and I didn't eat anything this morning at all. He had a sandwich and didn't make me one.
Bay was doing glam, and the thing is, you can't give Bay glam when they're doing their lips, so I was aware of this. But nonetheless, we are here at Dos Caminos.
Dos Caminos.
Getting some Mexican food, maybe a little margarita.
Yeah, that's right.
Okay, so let's get some food in Bay's system and enjoy the day in Soho.
Bye, guys.
What do we get, babe?
So, guys, I got the watermelon with some tequila. It's called a watermelon. And they got the spicy cucumber mix. And they look so delicious, guys. You know, I get a little sugar around. A little sugar around.
Okay, Cosmo and Wanda.
Hey. Cheers.
Cheers. It's corn. I love corn.
You love the corn.
The food is here and it is sizzling.
Look at
Look at all that. We love the fajitas, the tortillas, and everything.
It smokes my phone up.
Can't wait to dig in. Leave it smoking. The food is here.
Whoa.
Hey y'all, so we are currently getting ready to go out and about in Brooklyn, actually to stop by our friend Kai. It's a birthday. Yes, it's her birthday, so we want to stop by, surprise, have some cocktails. It's gonna be a long, fun week, but we want to make some time for our homegirls. So Bay's getting ready, and we will see y'all on the way to the function.
I ain't got time for you take that home. Fucking all out and you take that
Alright y'all, Ro Ricardo tapping in for You Love R&B, and we are off to my big movie premiere and Mango Aquí 2. Let's go!
We on the way. Everyone looks nice. We have Zinga and Arlene.
Hi.
Say what's up to the people, y'all. Let's go. And Bay.
I'm sorry, what was it?
And Bay.
Oh, you said the star of the show?
And Bay. The star of the show is here. Ouch!
A bitch for saying please.
He's so
That was.
fucking rude.
Whatever they called him.
Yes,
Don't be
that's
rude.
right. You're right. But make
Guys, look
friends
how
with the bartender
white he
because
is.
I held it
We need
on
a-
a leaf line for a month.
A tan on the beach, right?
My last
I heard
trip,
vacation
it was
soon,
with
ring
the
it.
locals. They were like, "You're gonna pick it up." It was so
Bahamas. Tropical oasis.
Puerto Rico.
Alright, we're here. Getting to the floor, checking in, taking some pictures, hopefully chatting with friends, and we look good.
Hey.
We look good.
Hey guys. You guys, you know I'm here to support my man. Hey. See this ain't that guy? Hey. How are you guys?
Good. Excited.
You excited? Are you excited to see the film?
We're so excited. We're so excited.
What's the name of the film?
Mango's to Aki.
Period. So, guys, it's time to get a snack.
Have to get a treat to
Have a
celebrate.
little treat. We're about hungry. They got a wine on the menu too, but we don't know. What'd you think, babe?
We don't need it. We have enough champagne.
Yeah, we got champagne at home to celebrate after. So, let's go get litty at the house with a couple of friends, a couple of cocktails, and can't wait to watch the movie though. The man of the hour, the movie. There's Bay. Hey, name credits. Okay. A proud mama. That's right. Get him. Yeah. I'm so excited. I can't wait to see it, guys. So nervous, but I'm ready to see it.
¿Y ella cocina?
Sí, ella me preparó macarrones con queso.
¿Macarrones con queso? ¿Y eso es comida?
Oye, pero mira.
Sorry, man. We did everything we could.
Did you see my man?
Way back.
Period. He did. Guys, he did so good. You saw the little scene, he was so cute. That's my man. I'm about to like prank his ass. I'm about to go in and just drop my ass in his face. Drop my ass in his face and see if he start eating it. Because he said eat ass. It's comedy skit, right? So, let's see. We're gonna see tonight. Come. Guys, we decided to stop in Owlstown in the neighborhood. Me, Zinga, and Bay. We got a couple cocktails. Period. It's fuzzy. It's giving fuzzy. So I have the Midnight in Harlem. Bay has the Donkey Smoke. Donkey Smoke.
Sweater weather.
And Zinga has sweater weather. Sweater weather.
Cocktails outside to celebrate the big debut, because you know what it is.
Period. Like what?
Food's here. We got meatballs. We got charcuterie with all the cheeses. Brie, Gouda, sopressata, salami. And you can't forget, Bay requested the deviled eggs. So we're about to tear in.
I did, guys. I love double eggs. They better be Southern style double eggs. If not, they're going back to the kitchen, you understand? Only way home from a long night.
Lots of celebration, lots of love, lots of food.
Lots of food. We're gonna head home. We're gonna eat these some of the cookies, and we'll see you guys next week.
See you next week.
Good night, guys.